What's up, y'all? This your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show, live location at my crib, okay? You know, I haven't done a New Year's Eve bash on my show in a long time, you know. I mean, when I started doing shows on YouTube, I never edited anything, you know. But I'm bringing in the new year by saying, what's up, everybody, you know, okay? Yes, indeed. I usually do videos individually, you know. I usually do videos individually, you know, upload in pieces instead of into one or two, you know. Okay. So anyway, this New Year's Eve bash, 2018 into 2019, is going to be an excellent one. A real excellent one, okay? Yes, indeed, though, okay? I am very happy to be part of this show, part of the YouTube community and stuff like that. I haven't done a show on Daily Motion. Well, I haven't uploaded on Daily Motion in a long time. You know, Daily Motion done changed a bit and stuff like that. So I can't upload at this point, you know, but I can upload to YouTube easy. Okay. Don't get me wrong, I love Daily Motion, you know, okay? But I'll go back to Daily Motion one day. It depends on how Daily Motion do it, you know. So anyway, I must say this brand new year hopefully gonna be good. And not only that, some of you gonna say new year, new me, bullshit. New year saying you, okay? Okay, so yes indeed, yo. You know, you know what? You're crazy. Okay. All right, I'm about to go give me some sparkling water for the new year. Well, I stop by Donald first and then go get some sparkling water. Okay. Be right back.